Mga boss, let's unbox this good collectible that I've spotted at Miniso. This is the McLaren P1 GTR car model. It has a scale of 1:31 and license po siya ni McLaren. Meron siyang sticker na McLaren. And nakalagay dito sa top, meron kang genuine license. And as you can see, it is only distributed by Miniso Toys. Napakaganda bossing ng art box. So let's try to open this one. Remove the model by unscrewing at the bottom. So ito na siya guys. Ang alam ko, nabubuksan yung mga doors ng ating car model. So yun, you can open the door up and down. So another feature pa nito mga bossing is umiilaw and merong sound. So try natin i-remove tong plastic. So every time i-open mo yung driver seat, iilaw siya boss at tutunog. Wow, astig. Isa pa. Wow, napakaangas boss. So last feature niya mga bossing is pwede siyang tumakbo by pulling it backwards. So kung gusto nyo paglaruan, pwede nyong paglaruan. So ang pinakamagandang feature pa nito mga bossing is habang naka-display siya, for example ganito, pwede nyo po siya gawing card holder, phone holder, and ballpen holder. Napakaangas bossing. Gawa natin siya bossing ng short highlights. Ano pa bossing ang hinihintay nyo? Punta na kayo sa pinakamalapit na Miniso.